Hello, pizza lovers! Welcome to today's cooking adventure where we're making a classic, cheesy delight from scratch. Yes, we're making a cheese pizza. This isn't just any pizza. This one is homemade, featuring fresh dough, rich tomato sauce, and the perfect melty cheese blend. So let's get started. If you're enjoying the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and share it with your friends who love great food. The more, the merrier. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll never miss out on our future recipes and cooking tips. First things first. Let's talk about the dough. For the perfect pizza dough, you need just a few simple ingredients. 1½ tablespoons of yeast, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1½ tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of baking powder, 1 cup of water, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of milk, a twist tie bag, shredded mozzarella cheese, and 3½ cups of all-purpose flour. Start by pouring the water into the mixing bowl of your electric mixer. Add all the other ingredients except for the flour. Mix everything, and then gradually add the flour. Mix until it forms a soft dough. Sprinkle some flour on a surface, place the dough inside a plastic bag, tie it, and let it rest for at least 1 hour in a warm, cozy place. Now comes the fun part. Assembling the pizza. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And place the pizza pan inside so it's nice and hot when we're ready to bake. Once the pan is hot, grease it with some cooking oil. Punch down the dough to release any air bubbles, then flatten it to your desired thickness on the pizza pan. If you prefer a thin crust, roll it out thinner. If you're craving a thicker, chewier crust, keep it a little thicker. Make some holes with a fork in the dough. Next, add your favorite type of sauce. I'm using the ranch as my white sauce. Now, grab your favorite cheese. I am going with classic mozzarella, but feel free to mix it up with a bit of Parmesan or cheddar if you're feeling adventurous. Sprinkle the cheese evenly over the sauce. Once your pizza is topped, slide it into the oven and bake for 10 to 15 minutes until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbling and slightly browned. Your kitchen is going to smell amazing. When it comes out of the oven, let it cool for a minute or two. Then slice it up and get ready to dig in. You've got a hot, fresh, homemade cheese pizza. Crispy crust, gooey cheese, all made from scratch. I just wanted to let you know that there are many different ways to make pizza from scratch, and I will show you more in my future videos. For now, enjoy the perfect slice, and remember, pizza is always better when made with love. Thanks for joining me today. Happy cooking! And I'll see you next time for more delicious homemade recipes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fabulous recipes.
Like and subscribe.